here is a tensioner, the serpentine belt, replacement, which is, so we do the 2 bolts, this one and this one, and normally I would release this completely, but I don't want to because it's annoying to reset, so if I can, I'll manually hold the tension off. Remove the belt. So do that. So take the belt off. It's now loose enough. And that click is from here. More. Actually, take it completely off. See, now that shouldn't do stuff like that. So now, this bolt, or nut, on each, shouldn't be tensioning now, or at least not a huge amount. Okay. I'm still holding it. Quite a big washer behind them. To the second one. Expand again, that click again. Curious, so is that going to be okay? So that one doesn't expand as much. Crimp the belt. Top end's not so keen to move. Encouragement. And I want to do even top and bottom. And keep face away because this one will actually ping out. You can see how bent round that is. They should never go like that. So it was majorly inner. Go away, excuse me. You can see it's not good. So it's falling apart. So it's 1/2. Let's see the other half. Even left behind. Sleeve, if I've got a sleeve. Anti-sieze. One of my favourites. I don't want any end of the. This should be behaving. Let's lift that. And the big washer each end. One on the bottom, one on the top. I'm actually going to reuse the nut. They're relatively new anyway. Fitting as a reversible removal process. Thank you, Mr. Haynes' manual from the old days. Okay, different camera position. So, the belt there. There are actually 7 pulleys on this. Things to go around. Currently, 2 are removed. Only one of the idlers and the air compressor. So give myself extra leverage. I'm going to put this on the end. Come on. God, I'm on. Oops. Here's an impact driver. Set to a low setting. Some threadlock on it. This is a bit ridiculous. Just needed more power, as Clarkson would say. So I'm going to put it in. See what I'm using is pliers. Okay, it's not too much tension. Okay, I'll settle for that. Right, you'll notice I like Tipex, so I've just marked this so I can visually see if it's ever moving, same as this and this. A bit like they do the wheels on trucks.